There's one thing that everybody gets very, very, very wrong on their website. Now, we've talked about a few things over these episodes, but this one thing is really common, and it all comes back to shy kids don't get sweets. And what do I mean by that? So you've got an amazing website. The front page of your website is fantastic. You've got a great image. Your headline is spot on. It loads super quick. You've got a great sub headline. But the one problem is you're not asking the guest to book. You're not asking the guest where to go next. And that's called a CTA, otherwise known as a click to action. And the most important part to have one of these CTAs is in the top right-hand corner of your website. That is what's known as the buying zone. Now, people have a book now button, or they have a click to check availability, or whatever you want to call it. But the often at the times is that it's just masked in with the menu. So it'll be like home, about, local area, property or properties, book now. It's all the same. Did you know this? That if your button is colored, then it's more likely to get a click through. Did you know this? When you change a color, it has so many different effects and emotions. The best color to have is red because it drives attention. It clicks to action. Did you know that if you change your button from green to red, it has twice as much effect? So what I want for you to do, go to your website first and foremost. And again, if you're on a Boostly website, go and look at all of our click to action buttons. They stand out. And what I want for you to do is put a box around it and see what impact it has. Now, if you want to go, well, Mark, how do I know that it's going to have an impact? There's some really cool heat map type software. The one that I use is called crazyegg.com. And what Crazy Egg does is it shows you where people are clicking on your website. It actually watches a video. And so what you can do is in that top right hand corner, the click to action button, you can actually give it a color, say red, white writing, so it stands out, and you'll be able to watch on Crazy Egg exactly how many people are interacting with your website on a daily, weekly, monthly basis and where they're clicking to. And I pretty much guarantee you that by putting it red, by putting a box around it, by making it stand out, you're going to have more people clicking on there to go to your booking engine, to go to your property page. And if you want to see an example of this, go to boostly.co.uk, boostly.co.uk/portfolio, and you can check out all the websites that we design for hosts just like you. While you're there, you might as well book a call with us and see if we can help you. We have got spots available. We've got a limited amount of new websites that we're taking on. So why not give us a call, have a chat with us and see if we can help you. So this is all about the click to action button, the CTA. Hopefully you now know more about it. I would love to see the question of the day. I would love to see your website. I would love to see if you're incorporating this. So in the comments below, leave a link to your website. I'll go and check every one. I'll try and reply to as many of you as possible. If you're listening to the audio version of this, email mark@boostly.co.uk, send me a message on Instagram @boostlyuk, and I'll be more than happy to take a look and give you some advice in any way, shape or form. Now, if this is the first time you've come across a Boostly podcast, welcome. You've got over 200 episodes in the back catalogue to go and check out. Go to boostly.co.uk/podcast to find more about them. And as always, every day in 2021, over my body be it, I am going to do a daily podcast, a daily episode to help you, the hosts, get more confidence to not only survive 2020, but thrive on the other end and get tons of direct bookings. All I need for you to do, free support, smash the like button if you're watching on YouTube so more people will find about this in the algorithms. And please tell a host, share this with anybody that you may know, any host around the world. Just share this video and just get them to go to boostly.co.uk. I'll be back tomorrow with another episode of the Boostly podcast. As always, be proactive, do not be reactive, do not build your house on someone else's land, and go be awesome.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.